This is the new Delight UV in pink. They're a 6-inch heel, and we will put a link in the description for you. Hi, Natalie here at Shoes of Hollywood again. Today we've got another unboxing and review of a pair of shoes. These ones are the Delight 669 UV in pink. So they're UV reactive, and I'm very excited. So let's have a look at them first. Best thing is they come with a little travel bag, of course. So if you don't want to keep your box, chuck them in the bag. It'll stop them from getting dusty or any damage, especially while traveling. And they come so nicely packaged. So the brightest of pink. They are pretty awesome looking. Let's grab out the other one as well. So these ones are a 6-inch heel with the platform as well. And we have done this style before in a bright green in the 7 inches. So if you scroll back through our channel, you will find that video as well. Let's pop them on. So these ones are basically all elastic on the top, which means they're going to fit any kind of foot type. And the little zip at the back. Nice. The crisscross pattern on the elastic is just so pretty. There's so much to look at on these shoes. Pulling out the zip. Awesome, so that's them on. They are gorgeous. They're easy to walk in. They are insanely easy to walk in as well. So remember, these shoes are UV reactive, which means they glow in the dark. Can you imagine taking them out for a night on the town? It would be amazing. Now it is a bright day today in Brisbane. It is so sunny. But we're going to go have a walk outside and see what they look like in the sunlight. I love the colour. It is just, it's insane how bright they are. Got a good amount of grip on the bottom of the shoes. They're comfy, they are so comfy. They're gorgeous. shoes. Once again, these are a 6-inch with the platform. They are a Delight shoe. We will put a link as well into the description. If you want to buy these shoes, you can go straight to the Please website by hitting that link and buy them. And also go check out the green ones. So just go find them in our videos because they are just as beautiful and they're higher. Well, I hope you liked this review and you liked our shoes. Please leave a comment to tell us what you thought. Also, hit the notification bell to keep up to date with our videos and hit subscribe as well. And we'll catch you next time. Thank you.